How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? I'm just following my destiny. How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? How bad can I possibly be? Well, there's a principle of nature that almost every creature knows, called survival of the fittest. And check it, this is how it goes. The animal that wins gotta scratch and fight and claw and bite and punch. And the animal that doesn't, well, the animal that doesn't winds up someone else's lulu lunch. Munch, 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 munch. I'm just sick. How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? I'm just following my destiny. How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? How bad can I possibly be? There's a principle in business that everybody knows is sound. It says the people with the money make this ever-loving world go round. So I'm biggering my company, I'm biggering my factory, I'm biggering my corporate sign. Everybody out there, take care of yours and me. I'll take care of mine.
Shake that bottom line.
Let me hear you say smokeless smoke, schloppity schlop. Complain all you want, it's never ever gonna stop. Come on, how bad can I possibly be? How bad can I be? I'm just building an economy. How bad can I be? Just look at me petting this puppy. How bad can I be? A portion of proceeds goes to charity. How bad can I be? How bad can I possibly be? Let's see. All the customers are buying. How bad can I be? And the money's multiplying. How bad can I be? And the PR people are lying. How bad can I be? And the lawyers are denying. Who cares if a few trees are dying? This is also gratifying. How bad? How bad can this possibly be?